Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here today from Crafty Cat Knitty Bits. So I think these are some stitch markers that I purchased on Etsy, but I'm not even positive, so we shall see here. I didn't realize that they were coming from the United Kingdom. Very nice wrapping, my goodness. And yes, it is. Oh, exciting. Crafty Cat Knitty Bits. I will leave the link below. Oh, how cute. Okay, so look at the little sticker. That's adorable. Gosh, her packaging is marvelous. It's like a present. Yay! Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. I had no idea that they were going to be so pretty. Oh my goodness. Seriously. So let's see here. First, I'm going to just show you the tea that they gave because this is kind of interesting. Peach Paradise. That sounds super good. London Fruit and Herb Company. Never heard of that. But that looks delicious. I'm going to definitely try that. Oh my goodness. So this is a progress keeper or a stitch marker, however you want to use it. But look, there's like a little dried flowers in the middle. And they're pink. Hopefully you guys are seeing that okay. Isn't that cute? Maybe if I put it this way, that might be better. I don't know. And it's a ball. It's really cute. Oh my goodness. I like that a lot. And then these are just so pretty. So these are stitch markers, and I like how it comes on a big ring. I probably won't keep them on this ring, but I like it. It's cute, and it's a nice way to display them and have them. And look how many there are. There's a ton on here, which is great because I'm forever losing them somehow. I try so hard not to, but I still do. I'm sure my couch eats them, and just like everybody's. But I love how they're different colors. These are my favorite stitch markers. I don't know why I like them. Just the round, easy to use. Put them on my knitting needle and they just slide right on, slide right off. I like these better than the dangly ones, and I kind of like that they're different colors because then if you need, I don't know, 5 stitch markers, you can use them all the same color, but then you can use a different color for the beginning of the round or whatever. So, or the different colors could mean different things. It could be a reminder to do a, I don't know, a different stitch, like a yarn over or something like that with your different colors. So that's really cute. And then, oh, these are like on here. Isn't that neat? Many thanks for your purchase. I mostly hang out on Instagram, but you can also find me on Facebook and Ravelry. Needle size guide. Oh, that's cute. Proudly made in Great Britain. Okay, I'm not sure how I'm supposed to get these off. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So it's a little ring. And then, so these are also stitch markers. These are not my favorite kind, as I just said. I like the other ones, but I like these too. And so these are a little dangly. Sometimes that gets annoying to me, but I do like them. And then there's a little progress keeper of a beautiful heart. That's really cute. But look at these colors. They're so pretty. Sometimes these are fun to use too, so I wanted to get some of each. I like them all. These seem to be my go-to, and these are the ones that I lose the most because they are easier to lose. But these were so pretty, and I'm really glad I got them too. Yay! And these are nice too because sometimes these will fit a bigger needle. You know, so you have to have an assortment of things, of course. So that is what I got from Crafty Cat Stitch Markers. I really do hope that you guys check them out. She is amazing. And honestly, I don't think it took too long to get here from... I don't know how long it took, but it didn't take very long. I feel like it took less than 2 weeks. So yeah, it was fabulous. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you guys check her out. I'm excited to start using these. I guess I better go knit. Enjoy today.